Alright, welcome everybody. Today we've got the Helicopter Assault Trooper, codename Airborne. Real name Franklin E. Talltree. As you can see, we're going to be doing his hips are a little bit loose, so we'll be doing an O-ring replacement on him. While I'm doing that, I'm going to read on his bio card. I found a site that has him scanned in. I'll probably be skipping over some stuff, but military specialty, airborne infantryman, and pop apart here. Yes, and let's see, born on the Navajo Reservation in Arizona, grade E5, sergeant, and little bio on him, but it's sort of the thing I find interesting is that they actually misspelled Navajo. They used the phonetic spelling rather than, what the generally accepted spelling is, and that may have been okay back in the day. That may just been how they spelled it. I'm not super clear on that. I've done forgot how to do this. Okay, I think put these on here. But they spelled it Navajo with an H on the end rather than the J. That's pretty typical. Yeah, pull you up through there. Maybe. Get hold of it. There he goes. Legs into place. And then look at that over the... So it's been a little while since I've had to do one of these. I have to remember it every time I do it. Okay. Sort of hang it in there for a second and get his arms on. Whoop, stay down. And then get his chest plate back on. Alright. New screw down in there. And a tip I saw when screwing metal into plastic, you back it up until it clicks in, and that way you're using the same grooves again. Thought that was a good tip. I forget where I saw that, but that got his hips realigned. Let's bring you on in and see all that done. Got all the details on him here. I do have his... I remember that being his backpack. I might have his weapon down there. I'm not sure. He was one of the first generation with the swivel arm grip. I do remember that. He was one of the new ones. The new Joes whenever they came out. We got knee pads, boots. Got his rank on there. Just his harness for the helicopter assault back there. Sidearm. Got a knife. K-bar right there probably. I think all the branches of the military use K-bar. Back then anyway. And I'm pretty sure I found a helmet that fits the color, but I'm not sure that was his helmet or not down there. Once I get done going through all of these, I'm going to do an inventory of what weapons and whatnot I've got down there and make those adjustments as necessary. And I'll probably try and show you as I match them up. I'll try and show them to everybody. But I've babbled on long enough, and that repair, I'm always happy to get that done, especially when I pull them out. Like I say, you can tell that one was shot. It only lasted like 40 years. I can't believe that. But anyways, thanks for watching, folks. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from, and I'll see you next time.